नमस्कार, मी सतीश उपाध्याय, Renuka Jyotish Vidya Kendra. I am Satish Upadhyay. I am from Renuka Jyotish Vidya Kendra, Pune. We are conducting so many workshops and conducting classes, giving so many outputs regarding the astrology. Many a times we are receiving a query whether a particular day is auspicious or not. People plan for some auspicious events and they naturally ask the question whether that particular day is auspicious or whether they should go for that work on that particular day. For example, if you want to join a service, a new service, then he asks whether I should join that new service today or tomorrow. If somebody wants to start the business, then one will ask me whether this particular day is auspicious to go for starting of the business or not. Or so many aspects are there in the life where we always feel whether a particular day is good, auspicious or not. In Jyotish, we have got one such chakra which is known as Kalainala Chakra, which can explain you or which give instantly information about whether a particular day is good or not so good, I will say. Because this is a part of Muhurta, and Muhurta involves so many things. Yoga is there, Panchanga, all these things are involved in the Muhurta. But at a random, if you want to check a particular day, whether it is auspicious or not, how a day will go, then it will be very easy for us to check Chandrakala Chakra and take the decision. So I will today, I am going to discuss this Chandrakala Chakra, which is very easy to understand and can be used easily to come to the conclusion. I request all of you to subscribe my channel to get more and more videos. I already have Marathi channel, but this particular channel I have opened to as per the demands of the people who are interested in English version of the astrology. So this particular channel I am giving you for the English loving people. So people, I'm sure you will subscribe to this channel and support me in the future. Okay, so that I can make many more videos for you and make it available to them. So let us go for the subject matter. I will share a link or a PPT for this matter. Okay, please wait for 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen. This particular chakra is known as Chandra Kalainala Chakra. This is very important chakra for day-to-day prediction of the day. Okay, this can be used for both purposes. It can be used for transit purposes, day-to-day transit. You must be knowing that moon transits from one Rashi to another, one Nakshatra to another on daily basis. So moon is the fastest planet and it changes its place from one nakshatra to another nakshatra very quickly, from one rashi to another rashi very quickly. So the day, when day you are talking about the nakshatra, you are talking about the rashi, you are talking about the moon itself. So this particular chakra is used for deciphering the results of the transit and finding out whether a particular day is auspicious or not. Another use of this particular chakra is that it can be used in horary also. In horary, that is Prashna Kundali, many times people don't have the Kundali, or sometimes, although they have got the Kundali, some typical questions are that they cannot be fit into that particular Kundali. For example, whether I will take admission this particular college, whether I should admit a particular person in particular hospital, or so many things. Then question arises, and the question itself is called Horary Kundali. In that particular phenomena also, we use this Nala Chakra. For example, sometimes people are waiting for some happening of event. For example, I have visa is there, and if I want to have that visa, and the person raises a question whether I will get a visa or not. So this particular questions cannot be answered in many times it cannot be answered in the Janma Kundali or horoscope. Here we need a horary or we need a Prashna Kundali. Okay. So in such situation also this particular chakra helps you. So let us go for this chakra one by one. I will give all information about this chakra which can be used by you in your day-to-day life. Okay. What is this Chandra Kalanakra? This chakra is very important to check the day-to-day transit. This I already given information of. And when you are talking about day-to-day transit, this means you are talking about moon. Always you are talking about the moon, because moon is the fastest planet. It moves from one nakshatra, from one rashi to the another, one nakshatra to another nakshatra in a day, or one rashi to another rashi in a 2 days time. Okay, 2.5 days time to be specific. And then you ask whether a particular work can be done on this day or not. These types of questions are answered by this particular chakra. The chakra is also useful for finding out the fate of the Prashna. Fate of the Prashna, whether a Prashna is raised before you, whether it is positive, answer is positive, or answer is negative to that particular question raised by the queries. This can be taken care of by this particular Chandra Kalainala Chakra. Another thing is that the chakra is used to assess the gains and losses. If any gain you are expected on a particular day, whether you will get that day is auspicious for you or not. For example, if lottery or somebody goes for a race, then that particular day will be useful for horse race or not. Such type of questions are also answered by this Chandra Kalainala Chakra. What is the composition of Chandra Kalainala Chakra is that it involves 28 chakras. Normally, we use 27 chakras, but here we are using the 28 chakras, and the Abhijit Chakra, which is used in case of 28 chakras. Sarvato Bhadra Chakra is another chakra where you use 28 nakshatras. So here also in Chandra Kalainala Chakra, we uses 28 nakshatras. Okay. And the answer is given by looking into that day's nakshatra or moon transit nakshatra and the Janma Nakshatra of the person, and where they are placed from each other. That is looked into, and based on that position, you can predict that particular day is good or not, whether it is auspicious or not. This particular chakra is easily available in Jagannath Hora software. So you need not calculate also. You can have help from your Jagannath Hora software, and you can decide the matter very easily. That's why I'm giving it to you. Okay. How the Chandrakala Nakshatra looks like. Here is an image. This is an image of Chandrakala Nakshatra. The top portion, the both top portion and the side portion and the bottom portion, you will see that it is just like a shul. That is a shul used by our Lord Shiva, and with 3 points into that. Sattva Rajatama we are using in our Adhyatma, and that is also given in our astrology as well. Shula Dasha is one of the outcome of this particular weapon. So this particular chakra will be given as per the diagram, and the top three, one, see the nakshatra at number 1 will be always be the moon transiting nakshatra. For example, if the moon is transiting today in Vishaka nakshatra, then the Vishaka will be denoted by the number 1, and the subsequent nakshatras will be indicated in as a sequence: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this up to 28. Okay. All the, as the weapon itself suggests, any nakshatra which are appearing on these particular points of the shula are always inauspicious. They are always inauspicious. Let us believe it. Because they are on the shul of the weapon. They are on the shul of the weapon. So what is the procedure of using this particular chakra is like this. I will tell you. The transiting nakshatra will be placed on number 1 position, which is indicated in particular diagram, which is the first nakshatra, which is written as 1. The 1 will be the transiting nakshatra. For example, today is Vishaka nakshatra. Moon is transiting into the Vishaka nakshatra. Then the Vishaka nakshatra will appear at position number 1. And accordingly, all other nakshatras are put into. You need not do this. You can have readily available in Jagannath Hora. Okay. See the next slide. The moon transiting nakshatra will be placed at number 1. Just now I told you. Find out where the Janma Nakshatra. Everybody is having his own Janma Nakshatra. As per the horoscope, Janma Lagna Kundali. As per the horoscope of the person, everybody is born in some nakshatra. What is that nakshatra? The Janma Nakshatra will be the nakshatra indicated by the moon when a particular person is born on. Okay. For example, if I am born on some day when the moon was transiting in Purvashada Nakshatra, then the Purvashada Nakshatra will be the birth nakshatra of the native or myself. That birth nakshatra will be the Purvashada. So here we have got 2 nakshatra. One, the today's nakshatra, that is the transiting nakshatra of the moon, which is written on the position at number 1 position, and naturally, according to the sequence, the Janma Nakshatra will be appearing in this particular diagram somewhere in the diagram. Okay. Based on this particular phenomena, we can decipher whether the particular day is auspicious or not auspicious. Let us see how we can find it out. Take the next slide. If the Janma Nakshatra is posited naturally in that particular diagram, the Janma Nakshatra will be posited in the diagram somewhere. Based on that, we can decipher that whether that particular day is good, auspicious, or an average, like this. Okay. If the Janma Nakshatra, after Janma Nakshatra, is placed on the Trident, that is a shul. Shul is on all the 4 sides. Top position, bottom position, left hand position, right hand position. If that nakshatra is appearing on the shul position, in any shul position, then the result is very highly inauspicious. The result, if somebody is doing on that particular day, for example, if they are opening a business then that particular day is not good for opening of that business. Or if you want to take some admission in college, then that particular day is not good for taking admission in the college. Okay, like this it should be termed. Another thing is that another situation will be that particular Janma Nakshatra will be outside the circle. You will find that there is a circle. I will show you it again. Here, this is a circle. You will see that this is a circle exactly into the center. Okay. If it is appearing other than this circle, other than the trishul, it may appear on, for example, here 27, 3, 6, 10, 13, 17, 20, 24. Okay, these are the numbers which are outside the circle, which are outside the circle. Then what is given is that the result of the day will be average result, not very good, not very bad. It will be average result. Okay. Then you can, if it is possible for you, you can change your day. You can change your day. For example, one more important thing I am telling you. If you wanted to meet your girlfriend, if you wanted to meet your girlfriend, and the question arises whether I should go and meet that girlfriend on a particular day, and if that the Janma Nakshatra as per the Chandra Kalainala Chakra is appearing on the Shula position, then you are not supposed to meet your girlfriend. Instead, you avoid that day. Hai na? If it is outside the circle, then you can say that this is a very average result giving position. Okay. Then you also try to avoid because you want to have a very positive result from that girlfriend. Okay. I'm giving you the example. Okay. The third position is that inside the circle, if the Janma Nakshatra appeared inside the circle, then it is a very, very auspicious position. I will show you. Just now I told you the circle here. Then what will be the position of the your Janma Nakshatra? It will be 4, 5, 11, 12, 18, 19, 25 and 26. Okay. If your Janma Nakshatra appeared from your transiting moon into this particular portion on this particular number, then that particular day will be very, very auspicious and you can commence your activity, any type of activity, auspicious activity, I will say. On this particular day, it will help you all good things in the universe or in the world will support to you. This is a very important phenomena which I am telling you. Okay. This is how one can work with a transit position. Okay. Transit position of the moon nakshatra. I will show you Jagannath Hora position for your information. See, for example, this is a Kundali of Indira Gandhi. Okay. This is a basic Kundali of Indiraji Gandhi. This is a basic position of Indiraji Gandhi. And I will show you where it is happening. This is the basic position of Indiraji Gandhi. This is the Janma Kundali of Indiraji Gandhi. Okay. Then the Janma Nakshatra of Indiraji is Uttarashada because moon is into the Uttarashada. This is the Janma Nakshatra. Okay. This is the Janma Nakshatra. Then you will check up whether that particular day when the transit happens, when she expired, whether it was an auspicious day or not, let us say. It was, I think, it was 31st October. No? Let me check up. Let me check up. We'll check up. Please wait. It was 31st October 1984 when she was assassinated. Okay, 31st October 84. We will check the transit on that. Show the transit. If you go into the transit here, and you can check 31st October transit. Okay, 31st October. 1984. 1984. Okay. Now we will see that the moon was transiting on that particular date was in Uttarashada Nakshatra. Uttarashada Nakshatra. Okay. This is the nakshatra where moon was transiting on this particular day. On this particular day. And if you go to the natal chart, you will see that Indiraji's Janma Nakshatra was also Uttarashada. Was also Uttarashada. And if you go to the chakra one menu is there. And if you go to chakra, you will find so many chakras. From there, you will find the Chandra Kalainala Chakra. Then you will see that this on that particular date of 31st October, the Uttarashada Nakshatra, which is a Janma Nakshatra of Indraji, was on the first position on the Trishul, and the transiting nakshatra was also Uttarashada, and the Janma Nakshatra was also Uttarashada. Both the nakshatra, the transit was on the same day of the Janma Nakshatra. Then it appeared on the first position of first position of the Trishula. It means the day itself was not so auspicious, rather it was very inauspicious as per our contention. So this is how you can check with. Okay. I will give another important use of this particular chakra. Okay. Another important use of this chakra is that into the horary. Somebody asked for the question, and when he asked for some question, that moon must be in some nakshatra, that is called transiting nakshatra of the moon, and your Janma Nakshatra will be the fixed nakshatra. Okay. Then in that case, the day when you are asking the question, you should put, see the slice here. If the Prashna chart, moon nakshatra is posited into the 8th, 15th and 22nd nakshatra from the native's Janma Nakshatra. Here the exactly opposite is happening. Your Janma Nakshatra is put on the first position. In the earlier scenario, the transiting nakshatra was into the first position. Here, Janma Nakshatra is put onto the on the first position, and you are finding the transiting nakshatra where it is going into in that particular diagram. If it is under the 8th position, 15th position and 22nd position as indicated in the diagram, then the answer to the query will be negative. That means if he is asking whether I will get through in the examination, this is the question. Then on that particular day, when he is asking some question, that answer to that question will be negative. Very easy method I am telling you as per the chakra, Chandra Kalainala Chakra. So this is the use of Chandra Kalainala Chakra. Another thing is that, second point, if the Prashna chart nakshatra of the Lagna Lord is posited, Prashna chart nakshatra of the Lagna Lord is into the 8th, 15th and 22nd nakshatra from the Janma Nakshatra. Same thing, Janma Nakshatra is placed onto the first position, and the Lagna Lord's position, Prashna Kundali is raised, and Prashna Kundali's Lagna Lord will be placed in some nakshatra. And if that nakshatra is placed into the 8th, 15th and 22nd position, then also the question raised by the query, the answer of that question will be negative. This is a very, very easy method used in horary also. So like this, I'm sure you will go to this particular Chandra uh, Kalainala Chakra and use this chakra to answer your day-to-day question in the future. I again request you to subscribe to my channel, and you will be getting many more videos in the future. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.